So in the previous video, I've already told that it's the last month of the year and you have to end it on a strong note. So I've got you four tips, four advices that will for sure make you successful, especially for teenagers. The first one is that you have to be very cautious about choosing your friends. You have to know what that friend is thinking about you, if he wants you to be successful or not. If he is derailing you from the goals, he is not motivating you towards your goal, then he is not your friend. Just he is just around you for his own source of benefits. So you have to be very cautious about choosing your friends and try making friends with the people who keep you motivated and drive you towards your goals. So, the next one and the very important one is that communication. Communication is a key. Be it in your classrooms, or be it you sitting in your interviews, or be it standing in front of your boss for asking for the right appraisal, you have to speak. You have to speak somehow. That's the only way you will be able to know what you will be getting. You can't just sit and expect everything to walk on your plate. So you have to ask for it. You have to grab the opportunities by speaking and communicating with the people around you. And then the very next thing is compounding. Students and people in their 20s and 21s have to understand the concept of compounding. The every 5,000 or 500 you're investing now will turn to 2,000 after 10 years. So it's not about the amount you invested, it's about the amount of time you invested in it. So, in order to retire rich, you have to start investing as early as possible. Like I have already told you, every 500 will make worth of 20,000 after 10 years. So, start and realize the importance of compounding. And the very last and important thing is humility. Stay grounded. Doesn't matter how much of the heights you have achieved, you have to stay grounded and you have to never forget where you started your journey. So that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it, and for some more tips and advices, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button just in case you like the video, and so comment ही कर देना. So that's it. Stay tuned. Bye bye.